Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel iFix Japan. Today I have a MacBook Pro 2015 and with the LCD display backlight problem, and there is no SSD inside, and I bought it about $35. So I want to fix it. If I can fix it, I can use it. Okay, before overdue, and let's study. So what I gonna do, I have another MacBook Pro 2013. This one have a problem with the display crack. So I mean display crack. Here is a mini line, so I cannot use it. So what I gonna do, I'm gonna take the display cable from here, and I move to this side, right? And what you can do, another one is you go to Amazon, so find the model here, and here is written 1502 A1502. The same thing, I have same model like here, but the difference is this one from 2013, this one 2015, and because this one marks better and they mark quicker than the 2013. Okay, we find it with the same 1502 A1502, and it costs less than $20. So find this one first if you got nothing in home, and we do the job, right? So what we need iFix it. Okay, Phillips screw, and then the thing, this one. Okay, and don't forget your coffee. So before further ado, let's study. And next one is this one. To take this off, you need to push this side first. Push this part. It's sometimes it's hard. Okay, and when it's moved, then from here, take from this side. Okay, this side. Okay, and slide. That's it. Okay, and the next one, what we have to do is take this one off, and this side you got on the bottom, this side, right? We open this one all, or we can leave one here and then open the side. you can open it like this. Okay, I still left one here, so I don't need it. So the next one is, you need to be careful again. We take this one. Okay, and okay, you got it. So I assume one of this cable is doesn't work. So the thing is, when I try, it doesn't see anything. It means one of the power cable from the side doesn't work. That's it, making one of the light of the backlight doesn't work. Okay, right? So this one is cable, this one cable antenna, and this one is cable for the mic and the what is that? This one is for the camera. So this one is display cable. Okay, next one I need to open my second computer, right? So let's open this computer, which one has broken LCD. Okay, let's put back. So I already opened my second computer, so let's put back which one, this one, which one, right, like this. So let's put back. So I got this from this computer, the display I got from this one. So let's put back. I hope it's work. So need to be careful. Push. Okay. Put it back. This, okay, and I'm gonna try it. Let's try it. I already put and I borrow the SSD from another computer, so we check it if it's work. Wow, it's work, my friends. It's work. Okay, so it means work, right? So before that, so we need to put everything on, okay, because I use two hands to handle this. So I put off first by using power button hard off. So I push, okay, off. Okay, so this work already. Put this back. Put this back very easy. Do this side first. Okay. Slide this it. Okay, so make it in the middle.
put the SSD inside, and I already now is everything done, and the MacBook already set, and I already charged for 30 minutes. So let's see what's the result. Okay, it's already up. And what's going on? Up. Oh. Okay, still beautiful. Because problem, no problem. Okay. And this is the result. Because I'm in Japan, so when I install is in Japanese, right? Doesn't matter. So about this computer, so this one I put Monterey is 2015. Okay, it got 8 core RAM and storage 256 gigabyte, right? So for $35 US, and I have my own SSD home, and I have broken computer as well. I fixed with the $20 display cable, so I can make it. I can use this one for the daily user. Okay, and when we check it, and we check the power, it's like at 445 cycle, so its condition is normal. So now it's a 76% battery. So when we use like coconut battery, is where's my coconut battery? When we check with the, let's see it with coconut battery, and you can see, right? So my battery is healthy battery, about 79.1% can use it, right? So it can use like 3-4 hours just browsing or watching YouTube video or something, right? So when we see battery info, it's like age 3662, so it's made in 2016, because this MacBook is 2015, alright, but manufactured on 2016, so still available to use it. Okay, it's very good. And if we check the software, this one, because I use the open patcher, I can upgrade it to macOS Tahoe, right? So that's it today for my project. I hope you enjoy my little video, and don't forget subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.